If you are wondering if we have animated watch faces on Xiaomi Watch 5, then the answer is yes. You can easily find some animated watch faces on this smartwatch. Some of them are available straight away, so if you press and hold your finger on the watch face, then you should be able to scroll through this list in order to try to find some animated watch faces. Here is an example. And what you can also do is, of course, you can use the MyFitness app or MyFitness app on your smartphone. Then you can go to watch faces. You can, of course, check the list of watch faces over here, so you can use that instead of using your smartwatch. But also you can tap on more to be redirected to the Play Store, to the Google Play, where you can try to find some more watch faces. Of course, many of them are paid, but I'm pretty sure you can find some free watch faces as well. And as you can see, the list is quite huge, but there we go. Here we even have the animated watch faces section, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to find something for your watch. So let's see if I can actually find something for free. I assume it might be actually pretty difficult to find something free to use, but maybe you will be more lucky than me and you can actually find something. But essentially, if you find the watch face that you actually want to use, then you should be able to find the install button. So let me use this one as an example. And either you will have to tap on this arrow in order to make sure that your watch is selected, and then you have to pay for it, or just install if it's free. And in some cases, you have to... Let me actually go back to the animated ones, or maybe let's go to astronomical. And in some cases, you have like a install button here below, as you probably noticed before. But essentially, yes, we do have animated watch faces, and you can try to find some new ones in Google Play. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.